Kick-ass facts, more cool sciencey shit. Pew, 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 pew! Researchers have figured out how to transform plastic bottles into vanilla flavoring with genetically engineered bacteria, according to a 2021 study. The authors of the study explained that the demand for vanilla is rapidly growing, given that it's found in a wide variety of food, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, cleaning, and herbicide products. This research only demonstrated that conversion is possible, not whether it's safe for human consumption. In 2015, scientists introduced a gene editing technology called clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, or CRISPR. The method uses several repeating gene sequences connected to the Cas9 enzyme, which functions as a pair of molecular scissors. With a protein called Cas9, scientists can use the technology to genetically modify any living thing by snipping out and replacing undesired DNA. Some implications for using CRISPR could be curing genetic diseases and custom-made babies. For example, in 2015, scientists announced they had made their first ever genetic modifications to human embryos using CRISPR. Unfortunately, the procedure was only somewhat successful and the embryos were not viable. Read the book Clara and the Sun. Coles notes people genetically modify their children to give them a better start in life, making them smarter, but then some of the kids get really sick and die. That's not really a spoiler. The faces of dogs have evolved over tens of thousands of years to make them more appealing to humans. The research shows that the facial muscles of dogs have a much higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers than wolves. I mean, wolves are already pretty damn cute, and scientists think this lets dogs more effectively communicate their feelings to their owners. The same researchers were involved a few years ago in the discovery that dogs have developed a muscle above their eyes that they use to make their eyes look larger and create puppy dog eyes. Those If it becomes discovered that dogs are a superior alien race that have come to this planet to make us their butlers, I will not be surprised at all. The viruses that cause Zika and dengue fever alter how their hosts smell. Not smell, but smell. It makes them more likely to be bitten by mosquitoes, according to researchers. This results in a scent that attracts mosquitoes and creates more incidences of the disease. The scientists also identified a potential way to block this scent and stop the spread of the disease using a medication already known to people struggling with acne, known by the trade name Accutane. What weighs more, 1 pound of lead or 1 pound of feathers? Empirically, a pound is a pound. A pound of lead and a pound of feathers weigh the same amount. But in a 2007 study, participants were blindfolded and asked to lift 2 unmarked boxes of identical size, shape, and mass. One of the boxes contained a pound of lead and the other box contained a pound of feathers. The participants were not informed of what was in either box. Surprisingly, more often than chance, the participants reported that the box containing lead was heavier.